wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding treadmills. Let's get started with the list. Coming in at number 10 on our list. Compatible with the iFit training system, the nordictrack T6.5S leverages currently measured health statistics as a baseline for determining the appropriate exercise routes to follow on Google Maps, ensuring one's fitness goals are met with customized precision. The apps were designed by a personal trainer, and it comes with a lifetime warranty on the frame. However, it is on the bulky side. At number 9, the versatile Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 is available at an extremely affordable price. An integrated pause function allows you to temporarily stop a workout without losing any current health stats. Unfortunately, the narrow deck isn't ideal for very tall users. The monitor has a built-in tablet holder and it comes in 2 colors, but lubricating it is a pain. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Designed with comfort and convenience in mind, the Marcy JX650W provides fully padded non-slip handles, sturdy rolling casters that allow it to tilt and glide smoothly across most surfaces, and a safety stop that, when activated, will cease all forward tread motion. It features a backlit LCD console and supports up to 245 pounds. However, its power cord is pretty short. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding treadmills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the efitment T012 combines the benefits of Bluetooth technology, 15 incline settings, and 9 preset running programs to keep you motivated, connected, and engaged with the unit at all times. Its soft drop unfolding mechanism makes it easy to set up in almost any room. This one tracks calories burned and is equipped with a 3mm audio jack, but the space between the handlebars is narrow. Moving up our list to number 6, the Schwinn My16830 delivers up to 20 different computer-controlled resistance settings that make it easy to tailor most workouts to the desired intensity. An onboard USB interface facilitates a quick transfer of tracked goal metrics to many different fitness apps. It boasts a quick start option and long protective sidebars. However, it takes a while to put together. Halfway up our list at number 5. Thanks to a 10.1-inch rotatable color touchscreen, the iubu Fitness ensures convenient access to high-definition entertainment during extended workouts. The anti-slip surface on its 5-layered platform maintains superior stability regardless of jogging speed. Its app is Android and iOS compatible, and it comes with an accessory bag, but it tends to squeak on inclines. At number 4, the Endurance TF3i boasts an easy-to-maintain pre-waxed phenolic deck and a 6-point suspension that work in tandem to ensure superior shock absorption during high-impact exercise sessions. An integrated circuit breaker protects the internal components from power surges. It features a quiet belt drive system and a powerful air-cooled motor. However, its programs can't be customized. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with a durable all-steel frame, the Lifespan TR4000i is well suited to simulate real-world running conditions over long distances, making it a great option for high-intensity endurance training. 8 compression shocks help protect both knees and joints from injury. It boasts a belt that automatically pauses when you step off, a choice of 21 exercise programs, and heart rate sensors on the handles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding treadmills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Soul F85 has a 22-inch wide platform that supports a maximum weight of 400 pounds. 2 of the 8 available exercise programs can be tailored based on your needs, while its heart rate control function will automatically calculate an age-appropriate target range. This one displays the time and distance traveled and comes with built-in speakers. It also minimizes strain on joints. And taking the top spot on our list, the 3G Cardio 80i is equipped with a powerful 3-horsepower motor that delivers a top speed of 11 miles per hour, making it ideal for hardcore running enthusiasts. A dual folding design allows it to stand upright or be laid flat for convenient under-bed storage. It offers one-touch incline adjustments, a very soft suspension, and an extra-long 60-inch platform. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding treadmills, or simply click beneath this video.